Hi guys, it's tashay.reddic and I am back with another Mask Monday. We are now in the month of April and we are still locked down. So, since we're locked down, I figured I'd go ahead and throw y'all a new mask. I mean, I was going to do it anyway, but y'all, this quarantine got me buying things, okay? Things that I don't need. Y'all see that? I don't really need nothing, you know? Because I could come out with videos and show y'all different ways to use these products, but no, I'm stuck in the house. I thank God for my job because I'm still getting paid. Whew, y'all, pray for these people that work in the grocery stores, the gas stations, the hospitals, for real, like in real life. Pray for them. So today's video is going to be on CaMille Rose Naturals. Finally got some CaMille Rose, y'all. Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. It has cocoa and mango butter. It loves all hair types and textures. This is an 8 ounce. The price of it will be in the description box because I don't know how much it was offhand, but I do believe that it was like $15.99 or something like that. So it literally smells like cupcakes. When I would watch, I don't know why that looks like that. Oh, it all looks like that. When people were saying that it smelled like cupcakes, I was like, probably not like that, but definitely. The consistency is very thick. Like it's not going anywhere. So my hair is damp, but I'll get some water. Alright, here we go. So I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit. It is shampooed. I didn't use the conditioner. I just used the Care Curl Essence Moisturizing Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. And not the conditioner because, y'all, I ain't been wanting to shampoo, condition, and deep condition. So, yeah. I was too lazy to get the other clip. That ain't gonna hold up well. Woo, this thick. I've heard great things about this. That probably was a lot. It got some slip though. It definitely got some slip. Come on, because I got a lot. Got lucky this time. Definitely smells like cupcakes. I'm going to be walking around this joker smelling like a bakery. Yeah, the slip on it is to die for. The curl pattern is to die for. I just like the way it feels. Go ahead, hit these ends. Okay. Since I'm in quarantine, I'm probably literally gonna leave this on for probably about an hour or two because I literally don't have nothing else to do. I'm gonna put some heat on it. I'm not gonna sit underneath the dryer because I just don't feel like it. So yeah, gonna put a plastic cap on. But y'all, so far it feel good, it smell good, it has slip. I ain't even mad about it. I hear a lot of great things about CaMille Rose. So I'm about to finish this. Get this access. I'm about to finish it and yeah. So you guys, I literally just came from underneath the water, so my hair is kind of falling wherever it may. But this is 3 hours later. This is what my hair is looking like. Curls is popping, you know. Feeling moisturized. Moisture test. Oh, did you think it wasn't gonna bounce back? Did you think it wasn't gonna bounce back? It's bouncing back, y'all. Don't mind me. I like it. It feels so soft and so just I can't stop touching it. I probably should, but I can't. Alright, let's get, y'all, I can't stop touching it. Okay, for real. And I ain't got no part. But let's talk about it. This was the CaMille Rose Naturals Algae Renewed Deep Conditioner with cocoa and mango butter. As I said before, it loves all hair types. This was 8 ounces, and I believe this was $15.99. The price will be linked down below in the description box, the actual price. And it says that what is it supposed to do? It has aloe vera juice in it, shea butter. My hair loves shea butter. Hemp seed oil, mango seed butter, green tea extract, a bunch of good stuff. It doesn't say like no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates. It's cruelty free. So yeah. It says our algae renewed conditions handcrafted with amazing blue-green algae, which are rich in vitamin B. It improves hair cell regrowth, stops shedding and breakage, resulting in stronger, longer hair. Deeply penetrates and remoisturizes dry and brittle hair. Increase body and shine the natural way. So I'm pretty sure that it's curly girl friendly. Like I said, this is 8 ounces. It's so thick and it smells like cupcakes. And I probably can get a lot of uses out of this. Like, literally, y'all, I feel like I can get 8 ounce everything and be fine. Like, literally. So, yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. We are in the month of April. Let's see if I can get my 300 subscribers, y'all. My hair feels so good. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.